And now it's all games. Kenya's women's national football team, Harambee Starlets, took a massive step toward qualifying for the 2025 Women's Africa Cup of Nations, WAFCON, after defeating the Gambia 3-1 in the first leg of the final qualifying round played at the Nyayo Stadium. Veteran forward Mwana Halima Aden netted the first goal in the 12th minute. Fasila Diambo added the second 7 minutes later before Charlene sealed the win on the stroke of halftime. The team is now actually one step away from booking a ticket to the 2026 Africa Women's Cup of Nations in Morocco, which for the first time will feature 16 teams, with the top 4 earning automatic qualifications to the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup in Brazil.
Sometimes unaweza kuwa juu, sometimes unaweza kuwa chini. So for me naweza sema kwenda on loan pia imenisaidia kupata playing time, na pia imenisaidia kuinua timu yangu ya taifa vile vile pia, unaelewa. So at least hiyo game time imenifanya nimeonekana yule dogo mwenye maybe watu wanajua.
Of course, yeah, motivation always has a positive impact on the team. Players always are playing for something, and if they get a promise from the 001, it's a big thing, and they're also looking forward for it. Apart from that, the girls are motivated to win. They're motivated to win because they want to play the next WAFCON.
Now let's talk about something that Kenyans will be closer to than Arsenal.